actually had to get an in and out to take out my urine about 4 hours ago. I've been trying to go pee, and I feel like there's something in there, but I just can't get it out. How can I be more successful next time?
Yes. Okay, so you haven't been able to pass urine, and so you're worried because if you aren't able to pass urine, then that's a concern. They might have to put a catheter in again, and we really don't want that. So I think I can help you. So what you might do is drink lots of fluids, so there's plenty in the bladder, so there's pressure there. And secondly, when you go into the washroom, just close the door, totally relax yourself. Don't be stressed about passing urine. And the nurses put a white hat there, so you know you'll be there, and we'll see how much is in the hat. But as you sit there, just drop your shoulders down and take a few deep breaths. Don't worry about anything. Just not even focusing on the urine. Just relax yourself. And the nurse, when she goes in, she'll turn the tap on. So you hear the sound of the water running. That will help you. Second, she will place a wet towel under your feet. That wet towel will also trigger the urine reflex. She will also do one more thing. In that little container where you're supposed to pee, she'll put a couple of drops of peppermint oil. And so you inhale that peppermint oil, and that also will relax you and help you to pee. And she'll also give you a glass with water and a straw. And with that, you have to simply blow bubbles. Yeah, blow bubbles into the straw and the water. And as you blow those bubbles, you'll find yourself relaxing even more, and before you know it, you will be able to pee.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
I hope this helps you.
I hope so too. I'm sure it will.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
And thank you for asking.
For sure.